In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to choose Personalizations over here and tap on Font and Display Size. Following that, click on one of those font styles, check out Preview above, and when you're ready, click on Apply. As you can see after that, style of mine has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!